Welcome to the ZTTFIBER installation guide for the new fiber optic fast connector. First, make sure the latch is in the open position. Insert the tail cap. Use the fiber stripper to remove the outer jacket about 15 mm. And cut off the air median incision. Remove the fiber tie buffet tool. Put the cable into the lamp feed. Strip off the fiber coating. Use the alcohol spray to clean the fiber. Cut off the fiber. Take off the lamp feed. Insert the fiber to the connector. Then tighten the knot. When the knot is tightened, the latch moves with the knot and gradually approach the connector, thus locking the optical fiber. Installation complete.